Hello, my name is Sam, and I'm going to be talking about the Deepwater Horizon oil spill and the ethical issues that BP faced after that. What happened? The spill took place in 2010. An oil rig named Deepwater Horizon exploded, which leaked oil into the Gulf Coast. Oil spewed out from the rig for 87 straight days, spilling an estimated 4.9 million barrels of oil. This had major environmental problems that lasted for years. They spent months cleaning up all of the oil, killed off many aquatic ecosystems, including lots of fish and wildlife. Also, in the explosion, 11 people lost their lives and 7 more sustained serious injuries. Due to the complexity of the oil industry, lots of companies blamed each other. They had to go to court and they couldn't figure out which company was at fault or if other ones had a play in the fault as well. There were several companies that all paid billions of dollars in fines. The main company at fault was BP. The ethical issue resolved in this case was that BP did not follow the safety rules and regulations that are put in place to stop or limit the chances of these things happening. It was later reported that BP did not follow these rules so that they could cut costs, and then which would ultimately increase their profits. They paid severely for not following these safety regulations. The government imposed fines estimated to be more than $20.8 billion. The estimated total expense of the spill was estimated to be over $90 billion. And here are my sources.